Hey guys, welcome. In this video, I'll be showing you how to connect to Microsoft Exchange in C Sharp and read the mails. This is a new console application. And first, let's add Microsoft Exchange Service Package. Right-click your project, go to Manage NuGet Packages. Search for Microsoft.Exchange. In the search result, install the Microsoft.Exchange.web service. Now let's begin. Add the using statement for Microsoft.Exchange.web services data. Create a new object of Exchange service by passing the Exchange version. Now, add your credentials to the Exchange object by specifying the username, password, and domain. Next, use exchange.autodiscover URL and give your full email ID. Now check for Exchange object for not null to check your login into the Exchange is successful. Then, we can find the mails by using exchange.findItems. You can use your custom filter here as per your need. I'm getting the first 100 emails from the inbox folder. Now loop through the individual items in the find item result collection so that we can get individual items to work with. To get the message from items, use email message.bind and pass the Exchange service object and item ID. Now we can get the message body, subject, or any value from the message object. Hope this is useful. Like this video and subscribe for more awesome videos like this. Thank you.